Ready when you are, Sammy.
What?
Ready when you are.
Was it recording?
Yeah, hold on one sec. Let me just get in frame. Yeah. Yeah, should be in focus. Thank you.
Say that.
Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm filming a bit of a different video. Well, it's actually not that different. I used to make these videos all the time, but I've had a lot of like positives health-wise recently and haven't shared them with you guys, so I thought I would get sharing. So I used to make lots of videos kind of talking about alopecia here on my channel. I had alopecia, well I don't have it anymore, I'll get into that. I had alopecia areata, and I started talking about it straight when it was first happening, and then kind of took you through the different stages of when it got worse, like what I was doing with my hair, like how I was feeling. I made a whole video about how I was covering it up using root touch-ups, and Superdrug and Makeup Revolution both kindly featured that video and put a lot of support into that video, so that was amazing. So now, thank God, it has gotten so much better. It is growing back everywhere. I don't know how I'm going to be able to show you guys this because there's not a lot to show you, but what you can see is if you ever see these little bits of hair that are sticking up on my head, like here or here, and the worst kind of sticky up bits are like back here, so this here, this stuff here. If you ever see those on my video, that is the spots where my hair is growing back from where it was completely lost. So it's amazing. I can't believe how quickly and how thick it's coming back. It is a nightmare styling it though. It does drive me crazy sometimes, but obviously nowhere near as crazy as not having it made me feel. So obviously I took you through the whole stages of it. You can go back and watch those videos. I will leave them in cards at the end as well, but it like obviously really knocked my confidence when I first started getting it. I had a big bit here, so I always kind of had to wear my hair like pinned back, or like I kind of invented lots of different ways to cover it. If you watched me or knew me before I had alopecia, I used to wear my hair in the side parting and like have it all flipped over, and I used to be really blonde, and I really miss my hair being like that. I like, it is, sometimes I'll look back at old pictures and be like why can't I still look like have it like that, but I am obviously so grateful that it's growing back. But I feel like that thing that happened to me, like having it, has completely changed my appearance. Like obviously losing your hair does change your appearance, but changed it in terms of I had to change like how I wear my hair, the colour my hair is. I don't think bleaching had anything to do with my alopecia. I think it was purely stress related at the time. My arthritis had gotten really bad, my uveitis was really bad, and obviously that's another autoimmune, but all three are autoimmune diseases, so it's just my body was battling against me and not treating me very nicely, but it's treating me a lot better now. And I feel like, yeah, so what was I saying? I yeah, I had to change my look a lot, like kind of not through my own choice, which is always quite difficult because like you create your own look and you want to look a certain way, and when the ability to kind of look the way you want to look is taken away from you, that's like really difficult. So I think it is hard to like look back at old pictures, because obviously that is how I like looking. I liked being really blonde. I liked kind of flopped over side parting, and I'm getting used to the middle. I'm used to the middle parting now. I don't actually think I'd ever go back to a side parting. This is kind of like what I'm really used to now, but like having my hair dark again is really different, and it's not that it's really different because it was always my natural hair, but it's because it's not kind of my choice and how I'd actually want to be looking. If I had the choice, I would probably still be really blonde because I loved it. It's quite hard, and then like I am so grateful it's growing back, but it's a nightmare to style it like this. Like you'll probably see in some like previous videos, I don't think it's actually okay at the moment, but that it'll be like sticking up here, or because it's so short and it's growing back so thick, it just sort of does its own thing. And then I had to like think about, oh, like I get annoyed about it because of like it's changed how I look and it's hard to style and it's sticking up all over the place and it doesn't look how I want it to. But then I had to think about like it's come back, and that is the most important thing ever, 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 ever. Like I'm so happy it's come back. And like worrying about styling it like this is so much less of a hassle than worrying about styling it so you couldn't like see the patches and stuff. And I'm like just so grateful it's come back. But and like I have to remember how I felt like when it was falling out. Like I was so like stressed and like anxious and upset about it. I don't feel like I ever properly let it show. I feel like I was really tough and handled it like really well, and I'm so proud of myself. But I'm in like a much better place now. I'm so like much happier, I'm so much healthier, like my body is attacking me a lot less, which is like amazing, and I have to be so grateful for that. So every time I have any faff with like, oh my god it's sticking up, or oh my god it's sticking out, or oh my god it's like I don't know what to do with it, I'm always like, but it's hair and it's there, and that is the most important thing. So yeah, that was just a little bit of a rambly video for you guys, chatting about my hair and how I'm getting on with like post alopecia hair. I'm probably gonna, I'm getting it cut regularly, but I'm like gonna keep it, like I want to grow it long again. I really want to have like really long hair again. I'm gonna keep it dark as well, and I'm thinking like these little bits at the front, which they had a patch here that are growing back, I'm thinking maybe of getting like a little bit of like a blocky like choppy bit here or something, like a fringy style cut-in. I think that would be quite cool. I'd really like it, I reckon. And yeah, so that's everything I've got to catch up you on. I'm sorry it was so rambly, guys, but I thought it was only fair to update people that have followed my journey and not just completely stopped talking about it. Now it's okay. So yeah, that's a little update on my alopecia. If you guys are suffering of alopecia or know people that are, then point them in the direction of this video and just chat to me. I love like talking to people. I love creating this. Is why I started making health videos. It was to create a community where people could talk to each other and I could talk to other people who are going through the same thing, and it's just so important to me to make sure I keep up with that. So let me know if you are going through this as well, because I'd love to chat to you. Or arthritis or uveitis as well. Like I'm always here to chat. I'm not very good at my YouTube comments, but I'm great on like Instagram and Twitter, so get me there. And yeah, I'll catch up with you guys in the next one. Bye guys.